Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time on your iPhone. To change the time on your iPhone, first of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, scroll down again and tap on Date and Time. Toggle off the button right next to Set Automatically and then tap on the Time option in order to adjust the time manually. You will then see a little calendar at the bottom. Tap on the time option once again at the bottom right and then select the time that you want to set. Once set, you can go back and the time will be saved automatically. And that is how you change your time on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.